Hi, friend. Today we will draw a funny house. Repeat after me.
Brown color. Red color.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock struck wrong.
Yellow color.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock struck three, fiddly-dee. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock struck four, he ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock struck five, she went to her hive. Hickory
Brown color.
tick tock.
Blue color.